Hi guys, it's a good truth with you today, and I got for you an array system with which you can control the count on each of axis, rotation of all the system, and also distance between these duplications. The bonus for this system is instancing, that you change one object and you got these changes on all the system. So I use few add-ons in my tutorial, but you can repeat all the steps with the fresh blender. Now I need a box to cut the hole in my plate. I make it small, maybe some few changes to make it interesting. And now I want to add array modifier to the x-axis and give some distance between duplications, and another array in y-axis, and now we have this beautiful grid system. What I need next is the duplication of this array system. I do it with Alt-D to have instance object, and I will cut it from my plate. Now I will parent this object to my first one to have easy control of them both. Next step will be adding a menu which from we can control the array system. For that I split my windows, and in object properties in custom panel I add 4 values. Now we will give correct naming for our properties. First one will go with this x. Let's change also max value. And second one will be distance y. Also change the max value to 50. And the default value we will change to 0.8 to have some differentiations between two values. Next one will be a count on x-axis. Max value we will change to 20, and in this field we need whole number. It's needed to have a whole number for counts. We can't have 1.5 objects. And next value will be count y, also with the whole number. And max value also change it to 30. So like that we create our control panel, and now we will duplicate our values to our arrays. For this we right click on our value and go for copy as a new driver. This driver we will pass in value on our modifiers on x value. Like that we can control it, and also on y value in another modifier. In edit mode we go to the y direction, and now we can control two different axes and distance between counts. Now we're repeating this process on another object with array system and paste drivers to its values. And now we can control distance between objects on x and y axis. Next step will be correcting location of second cube. For that we need copy location from second to first, and now we will add displace modifier in x and y axis. I use Speedflow plugin for fast adding modifiers to our objects. And now we have two displace modifier with values which we can control. For that we go to the control panel on the first cube and copy a driver, paste it into the values of displace on x-axis. Edit a little bit because we need only the half of the way, so divide by 2, and repeat this process on second array just copy this modifier, paste it, and change direction from X to Y axis. And now we can control the positions of first and second cube cutter. For the next, we go to set up the count of duplications. Let's go and right click on first value, copy as a new driver, and in array modifier on X, paste it. For Y axis, we also copy as a new driver and paste it into the counts. Now we will go for the second object, repeat the process, paste it, and go to the edit. Now we need to change to the X and do some mess. Just type -1 to decrease the amount of duplication, and do this also for the second array modifier, but change it to the Y direction. So with the -1 we have this beautiful chest array system, and our system addon. So with it we can control the distance between duplications, amount of them, and global positions. One additional plus that we have instancing, so any changes made on one object automatically goes to another object. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.